Today we are here at a brand new model home from Smith Douglas Homes. I am here with Claire, and Claire, it is great to be here in Cartersville at Jackson Farm, and this is a brand new floor plan that I'm so excited about.
It is. It's our Bradley floor plan, and Jackson Farm is in such a great location. We are only 5 minutes from downtown Cartersville. So Cartersville has some really cute boutiques and stores and lots of restaurants. Also, we're super close to Lake Allatoona for anybody wanting that outdoor lake life. We're very close to that.
Well, I drove through downtown Cartersville on the way here, and it is so cute. And I've really been looking forward to seeing this new model because this is a new floor plan. So tell us about some of the features.
It is the Bradley floor plan, and we have the owner's suite on the main level. And you can walk through the owner's suite into the bathroom, which then leads into the closet and into that laundry room.
Well, I would love to have my laundry room right next to my closet. It would make doing laundry so much easier. And you know, I've been in a lot of Smith Douglas homes, and this one just feels extra spacious.
It does. From the enormous island to the extended family room, it really has added that extra square foot of living space.
And talk to me about the upstairs, because I understand there's options there as well.
There is an additional bedroom bonus room on the upstairs level. It has a full bathroom and also a closet, ideal for a home office, a gym, even a guest or in-law suite.
Well, Claire, this is a great floor plan, but I understand there's actually going to be several options in this neighborhood.
That's right, several of our most popular floor plans. So for those looking for a one-level ranch home at about 1,600 square feet, to those looking for a larger two-story floor plan up to 2,900 square feet with 4 and 5 bedrooms, we have a floor plan that would suit each buyer's need.
Wow, so many options here at Jackson Farm, and I understand that this weekend, Saturday, is actually the grand opening.
That's right, this Saturday from 11 until 2 p.m. People can visit us online at smithdouglas.com. Also, like you said, please stop by and visit. Our model home is now open daily. There's an interactive site online so people can go on there and check out options and structural design options and things like that.
Well, Claire, it is always great to see you. It is so much fun to see a brand new model home. So come and check out this weekend Jackson Farm in Cartersville from Smith Douglas Homes.